Hi there. Today we're going to go over consonant digraphs. Consonant digraphs are when two letters sit next to each other and make one sound. So we're going to go over CK, SH, TH, and CH today. We'll start with CK, which makes the K sound, like at the end of the word in the word duck. Next we have SH, which makes a sh sound, like at the start of the word sheep. It can also come at the end of words, like in the word wish. Next, we have TH, which makes a th sound. It starts words like thumb and ends words like teeth. Sometimes the TH makes a harsher th sound, like in the word this. Next, we have CH, which at the start of words is like chicken, and we can also find it at the end of words like bench. So there you are, 5 consonant digraphs where you have two letters that sit next to each other to produce one sound. K, sh, th, ch, and also that harsher th. Thanks, guys. I can't wait to hear your recordings.